What is up, everybody? Welcome to another day of looking at apartments. This time Nick is with me. And today is what I would call the potentially shitty ones. Basically, in order to live in the area that we think is cool, they're just a lot more expensive. So we're kind of like looking at the less expensive ones that are a little more outdated and whatever. So we want to look to see if we're cool with that or if they're just too grimy. Like, we want to know. So we're gonna look. Hello, future me for a minute. Nick and I had a little argument off camera about my word choice saying that they're shitty apartments. I just want to clarify something. By no means do I feel like these are terrible to live in. I am so grateful that I'm even able to go live on my own, pay for an apartment. What I just meant is that to live in this area, we'd be spending either way more money than we want and not getting as much for that money, or if we want to stay with our same budget, then we're just getting less, like just less nice things about the place. So that's all I meant, is we were seeing what those ones on the lower end look like and whether we're okay with that. So that's all I meant by that. All right. Here's what happens when you walk in. And there's a nice floor, I like it. Big window with not amazing lighting, but not, okay, there's good lighting on that side, I can already see. Oh, this one is slightly more updated than what it looked like in the picture.
Yeah,
okay, they have updated.
A brownish red.
Yeah.
Color, interesting.
We love a good poop counter.
Not matching appliances.
Yeah.
I'm not mad.
It's not terrible.
Mismatch action, but
no, it's not bad. I don't really care about
the
that.
handle's actually like newer.
Yeah, they definitely updated this from the picture.
No dishwasher.
Or maybe this is the nicer one. I can't remember the other one. Oh, there's no dishwasher? Ooh, that's bad. Oh, no. Oh, there's two bathrooms.
First little thing.
Yeah, but one can be a
shower, pooper, sink. Matches the same reddish countertops as in there.
Okay, that room is actually pretty big. This one has great light too.
Deep.
Not bad.
Ooh.
Not bad. This one gets a lot of
Nice,
light.
natty light, yeah.
Yeah,
Sure.
great view. We love a big mirror.
So we can do all of our...
Honestly, okay, call me crazy, but I think the office / studio actually needs to be the better lit room than the bedroom. But that's what's crazy is this could be like workout and office and studio.
Right, this is so much natural light.
Yeah.
Let me need it.
Okay. Love it.
Can we go this way?
Another bathroom. Okay, this is way bigger than I thought. Like, really, the only thing is the kitchen is weird, but that's it. These are such small bathrooms. Wow. They could have just lumped these together into one.
Yeah.
Like, it's like so narrow.
Like this, but this could be.
But it's like, whatever.
Two roommates could also have this, right? We each have our own, or.
Oh, yeah.
This
would definitely be an own bathroom situation.
Just a shower only.
Yeah.
That's a tub over there.
Interesting.
So, you know, depending on what everyone would like better. That one was a little bigger. You know?
It does feel bigger.
It's a little bigger, but this one felt smaller.
I mean, this could be like the get ready bathroom, and that's the pooper and the showerer, and this is like the relaxing / get ready make.
This is like the pooping in the closet.
That's definitely the pooping in the closet. Storage.
Oh, there's not I thought it was gonna be laundry in there. Washer, dryer?
No. And then room number 2. This is actually still a not terrible size. Like, I was expecting these rooms to be way smaller.
Yeah.
It's not that terrible.
Definitely.
Way less light, meaning this would be a bedroom, I think, personally.
Yeah.
That is not a bad amount of room. Okay. Unit number 1. Okay, I just want to preface, or not preface, I want to, what's the word for after disclaim? I want to post claim that shitty was the wrong choice of words. Nick was like, nah. And I was like, I wasn't being negative. I actually was really excited. I just chose the wrong word. That sounded really bad. I meant we don't have washer dryer here. We don't have dishwasher. We don't have air conditioning. Like, those are 3 things I would consider more like luxury amenities that in my mind would be like awesome and expected to have. So when they're not there, that's all I meant, is like, we're taking a step down to have this price point in this area. That's all I mean. But a lot better than I expected. Way more updated than I thought. I couldn't remember. I think the next one is a lot less updated. Things I like.
This room.
The
light that
very bright.
It's got a big.
It's a big, deep room.
It's 2 bedrooms. This is one of them, and with this big window facing this side of the building, it's gonna always have some solid light in here. So
the floors are good. There's 2 bathrooms. They're very small, but the fact that there's 2 is great.
One has a bathtub, and then it's just like a shower. They both got toilets and sinks.
One can be a get ready room, and one can be a shit room and a shower.
Stinky Nick room over
What?
there.
You're the stinker.
Yeah, it's a stinky Nick room.
Oh, stinky Nick room. 2 bedrooms. This is the thing, like, at the end of the day, yes, I would love to have 2 rooms. If we can figure out air conditioning, like, I'm already sweating.
Already.
If we can figure out AC units that are not loud, it'd be awesome. Because that's actually a huge problem with filming, like it can't make noise like yours does.
Yeah.
So we'll just have to look at those.
But it's a nice feeling because it does not feel dingy, crappy, or like untended to.
No,
so.
it really doesn't. We don't really have any views or anything, but who cares?
Oh yeah.
Oh, the closets are deep too. I do like that.
Yeah.
I really don't mind. I don't mind the space. We would need to do a lot of our own lighting and stuff for like that room.
1 bathroom.
Really for all the
that
rooms.
way. Little tiny closet bathroom this way.
Yeah, so this would be the bedroom, the smaller room actually. Since we both like work and film stuff and do all that, it'd be nice to have like an office studio workout. Because even like some workout equipment could be in there in a cute way. Yeah. Studio setup way.
There's no balcony, which is kind of something really cool.
Yeah, I
to
didn't think about that.
It's got a lot of space. It's 2 bedrooms, a lot of space for a decent price. I am getting sweaty, so I think we should probably go.
Too.
And we'll show you the next one.
Yep, sounds good. Okay, we're about to look at apartment number 2. This one is not renovated, and it's a little bit more expensive because it's in a very nice location. So yeah, we're about to figure that out.
I like the palm trees.
Me too. Wee, palm trees. All right, guys, we are in apartment number 2. We already looked around, kind of had a chat, so I'm gonna show you now. This one, overall, is in a way better location. I'll tell you after, actually. Okay, so you walk in. First of all, where you walk in, there's like a balcony situation, which is cool. I'm not gonna show a lot of that. Okay, oh my God, this isn't even the real door, obviously. Okay, that's the door. This one has a way bigger living space. It's actually significantly bigger. I don't know if you can tell. And then same kind of like dining situation. Again, this one's not renovated, so it's not like the cutest in the world, but we were talking about how, you know, I don't know, it really doesn't matter that much besides like, there are little things you can do like change the knobs and make them cuter from like IKEA and just, I don't know, shit like that. Probably change that out cause yeah. And then yeah, there's a nice floor, which I'm here for because especially when you go in here, there's 1 bathroom. It's a lot bigger, but you know, kind of needs some help, needs some TLC for sure. Bathtub, shower. Oh, I just realized that there's like a shower and a bath. Duh. Gun here. So these are the rooms. They do have really good light, which is awesome. As you can tell, hello, brightly lit, great, we love to see it. They also have these big floor to ceiling mirrored closets, which is nice. The carpet is ugly and yellow, but that's, you know, whatever, it is what it is. That's probably my least favorite part about the whole place is that the bedrooms have a weird colored carpet. Anyway, and then here's the other room, same situation, same good light, bigger closets.
Yeah, the closets do have this like cool storage.
They have shelves built in, which is nice. There's definitely a good amount of storage space in both places. And then yeah, that's pretty much the whole place.
Do you like this layout better than the other one? Like just
the whole place's layout?
The way it's set up where it's like big room and it just kind of splits up evenly, makes sense.
I like that.
It doesn't feel as like wormhole-y like the other one, and like I felt like we were going into
the bathrooms in the other ones were so small.
This just feels more open.
This does feel more open. It is more open.
Like, because just for that open, if we were to open this, I feel like any cross breeze would make its way through and there's so much.
That's the thing, we're also I was about to say, we're so much closer to the water that it's not that bad. We're on the 2nd floor again, so it is hot. There is though apparently living room AC. We couldn't get it to work, but we need to just figure that out. But yeah, it's honestly not bad, like at all.
Yeah, go walk out that
especially,
way. That looks fresh, it's bright.
Oh yeah. And also, this is with 0 light. Like there's no lights in here. So we would obviously need a ton of lights. But what I'm excited for is you and I especially know how to do this is like having a bunch of lights and literally just syncing them all. So it's like voice activated the second we walk in. Like,
turn these on.
And I just want to like,
hit the vibes.
Yeah, we have vibes, we have normal. I think they also make really cool, like tasteful lamps. They have ones that like curve over and like come out from a corner, like kind of over your couch. They have like cool stand-up ones. They have such cool things now.
We would like maybe just a fat mirror to cover this, and that would just make it even feel that much bigger.
Yeah, this we think is a heater, right?
How bright and open this is with a big mirror.
I'm very pleasantly surprised at how bright this unit is, considering we are wedged between buildings and our balcony is facing a building, not like the outside. Usually when units get really wedged together, it's harder for them to get light. It's also 4 o'clock, so the sun is making its way more towards here because this is like the west side.
But this whole space.
Yeah, literally we would have from here all the way here.
It's like technically our balcony.
This is our balcony, so we could
see a gate and some bamboo.
Yeah.
Going here, and this becomes
which would be
my
sweet.
little playground.
Oh yeah, 100%. There's so much we could do with this stuff. I love that. I do love that. So really just, yeah, this one honestly has the same downsides as the other one. I will say it's funny, like when comparing the two side by side, the location of this one makes everything just trump the other one.
Totally.
Because the other one was nicer, but
clearly just stacked up
yeah.
1, 2.
It's so much easier to be okay with having like a shittier looking situation when it's like in such a prime location. We could literally walk to base camp from here. How far would the walk be? Maybe 10 minutes?
Not even.
Dude. Yeah, so like...
less than 10 minutes from the beach work.
Yeah, and we're like really close to the beach. We could like we could every night go watch the sunset. Let's watch the sunset every night.
I wanna.
Me too. Okay, so that's that. Happy we saw both these places. I have a lot of questions for the management people because these have both been listed for a while. I mean, I guess the market's just really weird right now. We'll see.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be back with you soon.